everyone. Just thought I'd do a quick unboxing video of the SRC moto items. As you probably know if you watch my other videos, these are the three items I wanted from SRC moto, mainly in protection, so headlight protector, bash plate and crash bars. The crash bars, they had a couple that failed, so they, instead of selling them, which is good, they went back and re-engineered them and redesigned them and finally got them in, and they've been able to sell them. And they, I bought these and they came within like 2 or 3 days. So have a quick look. So first of all, the easiest simple one is the headlight protector. So not the cheapest. There's not a lot around, to be honest. It's in Australia to get, unless you want to buy international and have freight and all that. There's not a lot that make the trifecta, and you might get the crash bars for one, but then the other brand's bash plate won't fit it. So it's sort of easier buying the one brand all the way through. So the headlight protector is $220. Now I found almost identical looking one on Alibaba for like $100, $120, but you've got to wait ages and all that sort of stuff. So out of the box, looks quite good. So you've got the front, and then it gets a few different mounts, and that just ends up sitting like that. Now that's slightly different, a little bit bent differently out of the box, to be honest, this one. Whether it's just, I don't know, it's because it's supposed to sit like that. There we go. So once it's probably knocked a bit in the box, now it sits perfect and square. So they sit basically just like that. So that'll be great. Nothing bashing and breaking the front. So it's just squashed a bit how it's sitting. The bash plate now. So I chose the black for the bash plate. Because everything else is black. So it's a lot easier. So they come, these from SRC Moto Australia, the Australian division, who got the rights to sell it all for the SRCs from Thailand. It's probably on the box, I think, SRC Thailand on there. Obviously you get all the mounting bracketry hardware, and again, even inside this, that's individually wrapped as well with all the bolts and all that sort of stuff, so we'll put that there. It's a nice looking item, this. I think it's, don't quote me, I think it's 4 mil. Oh, geez. Not too bad. It doesn't weigh too much either, which is nice. So that's it there. It's got the SRC logo. Lots of holes for rocks and for cleaning and all that sort of stuff. You can see drain hole here for your drain plug. But that is solid. So that's really nice. So 1.6 kilo without mounting hardware. So once you add the mounting hardware, so you've got 1.6 there. And maybe, so we've got 0.8, so it might be about 0.6 once you take everything out. So around 2.2 kilo, give or take, which ain't too bad. So 2.2 kilo for your crash bar. Now this is going to weigh 220 grams. Once you have these, it might be half a kilo in the headlight protector. So 2.2 and then half a kilo there. And then these are the crash bars. So I can tell you now, these are where the weight are, big solid items. So this one side weighs 3 kilos. So you're at about 6 kilo with hardware. You might be 7 kilo. So 7 kilo for your crash bars, give or take. About 2.5 on your bash plate, about maybe half a kilo on your other one. So these look very nice. So they've been redone with a single, they used to have 2 mounting points on your pegs, but it was putting too much stress on it all, so they went to a single mounting point now. And they mount up like this. So that'll be quite nice. And obviously on these main bits here, you've got the skid plate parts. So they come with some everything here, and hopefully some decent instructions to fit it all up. Looks pretty good. Open that up and have a quick look at the instructions. If I get stuck, I'll just follow Curtis from on the back wheel, because he did a nice video of installing all these. So I don't think I'll do a detailed install video. I'll just show them on, because it is fairly straightforward. So if you're looking at installing these, check out On the Back Wheel, Curtis's YouTube channel. So you get a couple of stickers, some white ones And some black, so SRC Adventure Moto, Aussie side. So they've gone through and done the full checklist of everything being there by Jack. So it's always nice to know it's been checked before leaving the warehouse. And then some fairly straightforward instructions. Nice schematics, nice drawings for you to follow though, which is good. Yeah. The drawings still show 2 mount points, so they may still have 2 mount points here. I'll get one of these off. Well, I can go that way and bash it through. No. So the drawing's still the old ones because they're pretty much the same, but they've gone down to a single mount point now, as opposed to 2 mount points off both peg bolts. So yeah, so we'll leave it there. As I said, I won't do an install video, might do a little bit, but not too much. I'll just put them on, then show you how it is with them on. So that's the SRC 3 items they have with the KLR. Crash bars, and the bash plate, and the headlight protector. So cheers, thanks everyone.